how to put aka name on Discord. Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm gonna give you a quick tutorial on how to change your nickname on Discord. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your Discord and then you have to select the server where you want to change your aka name. So I'm gonna select this server right here and I want to change my nickname in my server. So it's really easy to do. You can see that you will get this server name right here. Click on the drop down and it will open up different options for you. So we're gonna select this option right here which says edit server profile. This is your profile within this server. So I'm gonna click on this option and there you go. We have our nickname right here. So you can just type in whatever name you want to go for. Let's go with this name right here. And I'm going to click on Save Changes. There you go. Now my nickname has been changed. And if I send a message now, you can see this is my nickname. There is another way we can change our AKA name very quickly. All you have to do is just type in /Nick. So once you go with /Nick, then you're gonna simply add your name. Okay. Once your name is typed, you're gonna enter. And there you go, you can see your nickname on this server has been changed. So my nickname is changed again. And this is how you can change your AKA name on Discord. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.